Peace and blessings, everyone. Jimmy Williams again, back with another awesome and informative video. Put a smile on your face. You woke up this morning and you were able to see this video, or you're able to go out and see the sun, or if it's raining where you are, you're able to see the rain, and you're able to get out of your bed. That's some people haven't been able to do that. And if you're watching from your bedside and you're not out of the bed, you're still awake and you can see me, so be thankful for that. I always give praise to the Most High every day I get up and see another day. But I have something awesome I want to share with the team today. The Cryptex family, you can learn something from this, and all my other followers, okay? And if you are part of the Cryptex community, I want to share with you something very special. Again, all of us can learn from it, but there's been a lot of talk about how much money can actually be made with Cryptex. And guys, yes, it's true. You can become a billionaire with a B if you build a huge team with Cryptex. It's true, all right? I've been learning this, I've been studying it, and I wanted to talk about it and put this before you, in front of you right now, so you can dissect it and kind of understand it and decide where you want to be. Okay, a lot of us don't want to be billionaires. Some of us just want to be, and have enough money to pay for college education and retire, right? But some of us want more. We want to be in the upper $100 million range with money and abundance and success, and you want to do things and you want to help people. You have millions of dollars that you want to give to others to help them with their projects, right? Everybody doesn't want to do that though. Some of us just want to be okay, right? But if you really want to make a lot of money with Cryptex, there is something I have to share with you. All right, it's called the 4 levels of value. When you understand the 4 levels of value, and you understand that once you get to a certain level, which is the 3rd level, which is the communication level. Let me say that again. The communication level, which is level 3, you can make upwards of 100 million up to $1 billion, several $1 billion with Cryptex. And here's the big kicker. All you have to do is buy one contract. Yes, I said it. You can become $100 million richer, plus more, with buying one contract, but you have to be a great communicator. Let's dig into this, okay? Again, stay to the end. If you stay to the end and email me, I have a special free gift for you guys. I have a certain ebook I want to give you for free. It's about my personal life, okay? The life of Jimmy Williams, all right? And my struggles, etc., etc. So stay to the end and say, Jimmy, I saw the whole video. I saw the end. And tell me what you learned from the end. And then that's how I know you watched the whole video, okay? Let's get into this. There's 4 levels of value, okay? Number 1, the first level of value is called implementation. That's the lowest level. Implementation. That's where, you go out, you work a job, you work for somebody else, you're using your muscles, you're using your basic skills, and your income is very limited, right? Because you have to use a basic gift, and it takes up so much time to have a basic gift. You're trading hours for dollars. If you guys saw my other video when I talked about Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant and being an employee, how you have money but you don't have time, but you're still limited. So if you're implementing, that's a basic gift. Like you do hair, or you cut lawn. You're an attorney. You know what I mean? Some of those things that you do. An attorney can be you can make a lot of money as an attorney, but again, it's still the basic level of a skill that you have and you're applying it. Limited income, limited time. The second level is called the unification level. Unification. So you unify people. You're a manager, or you work for Walmart and you have a team under you. You know what I mean? And you're traveling and you're going to different stores and you're like a district manager. Your income can range from anywhere from $50,000 up to $250,000. All right? Because you're managing people, you're unifying folks. You may have a supervisor under you, you may have 15 employees under you. You have these other guys that are doing things in different departments, and they report to you. So you get your basic salary. Sometimes you get spiffs, and you get commissions, or you get overrides, right? But you're still limited. All right? But when you get to this 3rd level, where I'm going to go now, it's where multimillionaires and billionaires are beginning to step up and manifest themselves, because now you're going to be at a level where there's really no limitation, okay? Listen to me very carefully, guys. It's called communication. So far we have implementation, basic gifts, unification, management, right? 3rd level is communication, okay? Guys, you have to learn how to use this thing right here. It's called your mouth, all right? Not just with speaking, but communicating is more than speaking. It's how you convey a message to someone else. It's your ability to take something that's within you, or something you've learned, and communicate it, or transition it over to someone else, another group of people. This is where You know, you see great speakers and orators come out and they write books and they do all these different things to communicate with folks, and they sell millions of copies, or they do speeches where they're making $100,000 a speech. Yes, it's possible. There's speakers that are making up to $1 million to speak for 30 minutes because they're a great communicator. All right. Now, here's where Cryptex comes in, because that would be myself. I'm considered a communicator. Just like I'm communicating something with you, you can do the same thing. Here's what you should do, okay? Learn. Look at all the books and tapes and seminars and get all the information you can on how to speak or how to communicate with others, all right? You have to communicate a message for the masses. You have to be able to reach a large group of people from a certain platform, i.e. YouTube, right? But YouTube hasn't been there for only like 15, 20 years, right? Before YouTube, you still had radio, you still had television, you had all these other outlets where you can communicate with folks. And it has to be something that's going to be life-changing. That's how you get into the million flow, okay? Here's what I want to share with you guys about my own story. I used to hate to speak. You know, I stuttered all the time. You know, people picked at me about how I looked as a kid. You know, they picked at the size of my head and my lips and my nose and all that. And I began to understand as I got older, maybe that's an attack on my character and who I am as a person to stop me from becoming who I'm destined to be later, which is a communicator. I'm talking to you guys. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm speaking to folks all across the world. And I had to overcome the fear of the rejection of what people might think of me. You know? And having said that, the video cut, so I had to restart it again. That's how you know this is awesome, right? But what I just said was I had to overcome the fear of the rejection. And so I had to keep pushing, and I had to keep on believing that I could do this. I had to listen to certain books and isolate myself from negative people. And listen to certain mentors and learn how to communicate, not just speaking. Communicating is an art. It's how I move my hands. It's how I look at you in the eye and how I look at the camera and how I convey the message to you. Sometimes I don't have to say a word. I can still convey a message by images and things of that nature. I had to master that and overcome the fear of the rejection of all those naysayers that kept saying, you know, you're ugly and you can't do this. And those are the things that was trying to stop me from my destiny. So what am I telling you guys? Overcome the fear of failure and what people think of you to become a great communicator. That's the first step. Okay, I did it. You can do it too. I'm just an ordinary guy, just like you guys. Okay, I don't care what your race is, what your background is, what you look like, male or female, does not matter. Believe in yourself, and things will happen for you. You're gonna have to be special in Cryptex. All right. Here's one of the things I want to tell you about Cryptex. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to numbers. Now you remember, guys, that I just told you. With a $100 contract, you get one contract. I said this in another video. If you just activate that contract, you can still make $100 million if you build a team. Okay? One contract live on the blockchain activates your account with Cryptex. But now you can go out and sponsor as many people as you want. Keep in mind, Cryptex pays 8% for every person you directly sponsor. Whatever they come in, whatever contracts they buy, and those contracts mature. For instance, if they go in and get $1 million contract in 7 years, that contract gets paid. They get paid that 1.5, 1.3 million or whatever after the fees are paid. You make 8% of that. So for doing nothing but bringing them in, you make $80,000 plus, right? So I did some numbers here. Okay? Again, you have to be a great communicator to do this, right? I did some numbers. Let's say you got one contract, like we just said, and you sponsored 100 people just by talking, plugging them into the system, plugging them into the Tuesdays and Thursday night meetings, doing exactly what I'm sharing with you now, just opening your mouth and sharing, all right? They go out, they get hungry. Let's say all of them buy 80 contracts apiece, okay? Let's just say they get the 7-year contract, because of course it's gonna be a mix. And now you can get more than 80 contracts, but let's say they got 80 contracts, right? After that 7-year contracts, after those 7 years mature, they're going to make anywhere from 1.3 to 1.4 million. But for the sake of numbers, let's just say they all make 1.2 million times 80 per person. That person is going to make by themselves $96 million. That's one person. But you signed up 100 of them. So now we're talking 100 people making $96 million. Do the math now. 1.2 million times 80, which is 96 million. All right? But you got 100 people that do that. You're talking about, listen to this, guys, $960 million that's been generated on your first leg. That's 100 people, okay? 100 people. you're going to make 80, pardon me, you're going to make 8% of that, which is $76 million on your first generation. So what am I saying? You got one contract, that's all you got, but you signed up 100 people that got 80 contracts each. So that generated $960 million on the first leg. You're going to make $76 million. That's what Cryptex is going to pay you. But here's where the wealth really comes in. Guys, on the second level, you get 5%. So whoever they sign up under them, you get 5% of that. And then it goes down from 5% all the way down to 4 to 3 to 2, and it goes down to almost 15 to 17 levels deep. So on the second level, you got 5%. On that second level alone, you guys can make anywhere from $1 million to $20 million on the second level of all 100 people you got signed up. Third level, you're talking another $1 to $20 million, all the way down to 17 levels. So we're easily talking, you're going to make well over $100 million. So just for signing up 100 people that are hungry, you may have to sign up 200 to find 100 that's hungry, okay? That's where the communication and the motivation and the drive will come in. But you're talking some major cash flow. You're talking, you could even become a billionaire. We don't know how much they're going to do. We don't know what they're going to do. But I will tell you this. If you learn how to communicate and bring those people in and you show them how to do the same thing, your wealth is infinite. You won't even know how much money you're making, really. But that's how you do it. It's through the power of communication, which is the third level of value. Again, let's recap. Implementation, very limited income, regular job, up to $85,000. Unification, management skills. You're over a group of people, right? You're getting overrides, you're getting bonuses. So you're making anywhere from 50 to 200,000, maybe 300,000. But now we're talking hundreds of millions of dollars now. That will be the Cryptex opportunity when you learn how to be a great communicator. You can do this, okay? I believe in you. You got to believe in yourself, all right? Now, having said that, now go back and rewind this video and do the numbers in your head. Do them on paper. You can see that you can easily make $100 million. You go out and show this thing to 200 people, and 100 of them go out there and really buy some contracts, all right? Level 4, this is where the bonus comes in. This is the bonus content I'm giving you guys about the highest level of value. And I had a special person I wanted to talk about because I love his story. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying to show you that nothing can stop you. No matter the circumstance, no matter if it's sexism, racism, hatred, wickedness, anything trying to keep you back, circumstances, not going to school, nothing can stop you when you fully believe. That fourth level of value is called the imagination. Okay? You guys might have saw I put up the picture of George Washington Carver. Awesome man. I've been studying this guy for a while, and I thought it was noteworthy to tell his story. George Washington Carver, okay? He was a visionary, okay? So the fourth level of imagination is imagination, but it's in that area of visionaries, inventors, people that start Fortune 500 companies like Apple. You know that they are, guys. Berkshire Hathaway, you know those guys, right? Chemists, people that create, formulas, and they go out and they make all these products. My wife is considered a chemist. She makes her own formulas, but she makes her soaps and candles that are natural for the skin that are, she sells them on Walmart. But she's in that imagination category. She's a fashion designer. She's a great visionary that can see things before they happen and create them and write them down and create businesses. And she can do all that stuff, right? That's that highest level, guys. But this guy, George Washington Carver, let me tell you what he did. First of all, he was born a slave in the 1860s, right? Just before slavery was abolished, all right? He couldn't even go to public school because at that time, black kids, children could not go to public school to learn. So he had to walk 10 miles to a black school. He had an aunt, her name was Aunt Susan. She taught him how to read. So he would walk 10 miles every day to learn, to get the education that he needed. This guy went on to be, listen to this, guys. He went on to be one of the greatest inventors and one of the greatest men when it comes to taking the power of a peanut and creating inventions out of that peanut. He created over 300 products from the peanut. You know how he did it? He would get in a room and be quiet and just pray to the Most High and ask him, Father, you are the one that created the peanut. Show me how to get the formulas and the ideas and the creations and all of the inventions out of that peanut. Guys, over 300 of them came out of that. This man became an amazing, world-renowned scientist. All right? He was one of the best teachers and scholars at the University of Tuskegee. Okay, so he went to Tuskegee in Alabama, not too far from here. Now this guy let nothing stop him. He could have said, you know what? I'm born a slave. I have nothing. I can do nothing. I can't do nothing about it. He had that thought process of, I'm going to win. I'm going to figure out how to do this. Guys, this man saw a black man get killed at the age of 13 years old. This is a black man we're talking about in the South. He saw it with his own eyes. Terrified him to the degree where, you know, he could have just caved in and said, you know what? I don't want to be killed in this time, you know, for learning how to read and how to be this great man. But it didn't stop him. Right, because that creative gene, that fourth level, the ability to create things through the imagination kicked in. There's no excuse for us. If you see this guy do it, then we, you know, there's no excuse for us. Let me read this for you and I'm closing. George Washington Carver was an American agricultural scientist and inventor who promoted the alternative crops to cotton and methods to prevent soil depletion. He was one of the most prominent black scientists of the early 20th century. That's what he did. Okay, like I said, just to recap, number 1, implementation. Number 2, unification. Number 3, communication. That's the Cryptex space, right? That's where we are. But that fourth level, if you want to be a billionaire, you want to be at the unlimited potential at the highest level, we are, as members of Cryptex, we have that ability to be wealthy. But if you create a system like Cryptex, or you create a Bitcoin, or you create something, unlimited potential, that's the highest level, guys. George Washington Carver is my hero. To overcome slavery, to overcome what he saw, to be a guy that couldn't go to public school, had to walk 10 miles to learn, to get in a room and ask the Most High to give him the inventions from a peanut, and got over 300 of them. Guys, almost every product you use that has something to do with a peanut, it ties back to this guy. To do all that, that lets you know that this is real, this is legit, and you can do it, all right? I hope you got something out of this. If you stayed to the end and you heard all of that, contact me. I have a special gift I want to give you. It's a book about my life. Peace and blessing to you all. Bye-bye.